Ready, Your Honor. Your Honor, Joe Simon on behalf of Mr. Peck. Mr. Peck, state your name.
Lawrence Peck.
Your Honor, we did resolve this case. You may remember from last week, you have the sort of the companion. They were of the same incident, the OWI matter and this, but they were opened separately because one ripened before the other. And that's why I tried to see if it was possible we could, like.
I know what you were saying. It wasn't going to happen.
Well, that's all right. I'm just trying to help Your Honor. But really, the agreement is for both dispositions. We are going to resolve the case for Your Honor, conditioned on my client's acceptance and participation in sobriety court. He's already been accepted. He was screened and accepted. Yeah. And this is part of that as well. So I kind of scratched the other part of the OWVI second off that form. I guess we'll take care of that. I think that's November 6th that we're before Your Honor. 5th.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So this form reads that he'll be pleading to an added count 2 of attempted resisting and obstructing.
The courtroom falls silent as Lawrence Peck stands before the judge, ready to face his past. Every word, every breath carries the weight of what he's done and what he's willing to change.
Court sobriety court. That's the court's full understanding of the agreement. Although the larger agreement may be that he's also going to plead to the other matter,
which would be reduced to an impaired second, but also conditioned on participation in sobriety court. And that is correct. All of that is true.
Is that correct from the people's standpoint?
Yes, sir.
All right. May I have him sworn, please?
Raise your right hand. You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give be the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I do.
State your name.
Lawrence Peck.
All right. Sir, it is his court's understanding in this case you're going to plead guilty to the charge of attempted resisting and obstructing. That is a misdemeanor, punishable by up to 1 year incarceration and $1,000.
This isn't just another plea. It's a man admitting his mistakes, choosing accountability over excuses. The judge watches closely, searching for truth behind those words. Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind?
Yes, Your Honor.
You went through an advice of rights form and signed an advice of rights form. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any question regarding any of those rights?
No, Your Honor.
Look at paragraph 5. Those are your rights, which are part of a trial. You understand by pleading guilty, you'll be giving up those rights as well as all the rights on that form.
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you on probation or parole?
No, I am.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today to get you to plead?
No, Your Honor.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No, Your Honor.
And you're doing this voluntarily?
Yes.
Of your own free will?
Yes, Your Honor.
And because you believe that you're guilty of this offense, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
A guilty plea, not forced, not coerced.
Township Police Department.
Yes, Your Honor.
What happened when you did?
Did you pull away from them when they tried to arrest you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, they were trying to arrest you, and you're not challenging that they were acting lawfully, right?
I am not.
Okay. And when they were trying to arrest you, you pulled away from them. Is that correct?
Yes, I did.
All right. Sir, if I do accept your plea, I have to advise you that if you
Every courtroom has its turning point, and this is a moment of humility, of truth. The judge's tone softens, but the law remains firm. Responsibility must come before redemption.
Yes, Your Honor.
all right. And you would not be allowed to withdraw your plea. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Counsel, and go ahead.
There's one more thing that I did. I still think it was the right thing, but maybe the court will think otherwise. I had him fill out a sentencing judge waiver. Even though it's a Pittsfield case, I believe the idea was to administer both probations through 15th District Court sobriety court. Both matters. Now, I don't know if that needs to be done or some of that. That's why I have. It's the same.
I mean, it's okay that it's here. I'm going to set this before me because, and I don't mind moving it to.
As the paperwork piles and legal language fills the air, one thing is clear. This case isn't just about resisting arrest. It's about resisting change. but maybe, just maybe he's ready.
Memorandum of understanding, and they, on their end, they told us that was fine. But since we're going to keep the November 5th date anyway, is it possible that you could set this sentencing for November 5th and we'll figure that out? In other words, he doesn't have to be sentenced that day. You know what I mean?
I got you. Yeah, that's fine.
'Cause that way I think we'll just figure it all out then.
All right. Are you aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which had led to this plea?
No, yeah.
All right. And have I complied with the court rule?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Court will accept the defendant's plea of guilty in this case. Pre-sentence investigation and report is ordered. Do with that what you will. I'm going to set the sentencing for November 5th, right? November 5th, 2025, 9 a.m., just special time.
November 5th, a date that could decide his future. Will he walk out a changed man or return to the same path that brought him here? Only time in the court will tell.
That before that November date. And I know I requested that, but
Why does he make things so complicated?
I'm not trying to make judicial
You're
economy
making everything
easier for your
Look,
honor.
I know he won't be here because I gave him
Yeah,
permission to
right,
travel.
right. So, but I just want to make sure that we know that. But anyway, I think that we'll be able to figure it all out on November 5th. Thank
When the gavel falls, the courtroom exhales. Justice is done, but redemption? That's something no judge can grant. That's something Lawrence must earn on his own.